Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get approved for options on Thinkorswim. Options trading can offer exciting opportunities, but it requires specific authorization from your brokerage. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you understand each step to successfully gain approval. This guide will help you navigate the requirements and application on the Thinkorswim platform, setting you up for success. To qualify for options trading, Thinkorswim assesses several key factors. You'll need to show a good understanding of financial markets and trading experience. Be prepared to provide details about your annual income and overall net worth, as these indicate your financial capacity. Most importantly, you must clearly articulate your risk tolerance, acknowledging the inherent risks involved with options contracts. The application process itself is straightforward once you know where to look. First, log into your Thinkorswim account and navigate to the Options Trading Application section. It's crucial to fill out every part of the form accurately and honestly, especially regarding your financial background and trading experience. Take your time to review all your entries before hitting Submit, ensuring everything is correct. Once you've submitted your application, the brokerage will begin its review. This process usually takes a few business days, so patience is key. You'll receive an email notification regarding the outcome, whether you've been approved or if more information is needed. Upon approval, start with simpler options strategies and gradually build your expertise. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your comfort level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.